If you've ever wanted to make real money online but felt overwhelmed by all the tech, the selling, or the endless grind, this might just be the shortcut you've been waiting for. Let's talk about something that's changing the game for beginners and even busy professionals who don't have the time or the interest in becoming sales experts. It's called the Auto High Ticket Cloaker, and here's why it's getting so much attention. This tool isn't just another shiny object. It's a fully automated system that allows you to earn high-ticket commissions. We're talking $1,000 or more per sale without needing to pitch, persuade, or even talk to anyone. That's right, no cold messages, no complicated funnels, and no marketing experience needed. Now, let me break down why this matters for you. First, it's completely automated. That means while you're working, sleeping, or doing what you love, the system is working in the background, finding leads, engaging them, and closing sales for you. This isn't theory. The creators, Jono Armstrong and Robin Palmer, designed it based on what's already working in the real world. Their system uses AI to do the heavy lifting, strategically layering value and sparking curiosity so that people want to buy, without ever feeling sold to. So if you've struggled with traditional selling, or the idea of being on camera, or just don't have the time to learn complex systems, this takes care of all of that. No audience. No problem. No tech skills. It's all done for you. And the best part? You're not risking anything. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it without pressure. You've got a full month to test it out and see what it can do. But here's the catch, this tool isn't being opened up to everyone. To keep it working as effectively as it does, access is limited. So if you're even slightly curious, now's the time to take a closer look. Imagine waking up to new commissions. Imagine not having to chase leads, build funnels, or learn endless marketing strategies. That's the reality this system is aiming to create for people just like you. If you're on the fence, this might help. Buy through my link and you'll score access to a set of exclusive bonuses I've created just for my viewers. They're practical, powerful, and perfectly paired with the main product. You won't find these anywhere else. So if you're ready to step into affiliate marketing with a tool that actually does the work for you, this might just be the smartest move you make this year. Thanks for watching, and if this sounds like something you'd like to learn more about, make sure you like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a future update. Let's build something powerful without the overwhelm.
Hey, what's up? This is Robin Palmer. Welcome to our Auto High Ticket Cloaker demo video. I'll be showing you exactly how it works and how we make high ticket sales. First of all, this works in combination with Facebook groups. The step number one is going to be about grabbing your affiliate link. This can be done with any product whatsoever, but to make it a little bit easier, we've added a program that you can start promoting right away. That being said, the step number two is going to be about actually finding these groups within Facebook. So what our product does, what our apps accomplish, is that they actually find those groups. So if I click here on traffic generator and then I go to access here, you can see that you can use any of these buttons here. I'm going to go for this one and it's going to start pulling up all of these different groups in the make money online and the affiliate marketing niche. So I can go for any one of these. For example, I can pick this one here. And as you can see, it's going to give me a list of all of these different groups. So the next step would be to just start joining these different groups. Once that is done, the next step is to go into these different groups, go to members, and then you want to start adding these friends to your friends list. You probably want to focus on doing 10 to 15 people in the morning and 10 to 15 people in the afternoon. So the purpose of this is just to get interested people to your friends list. Once that is done, you want to go to the next step, which is the viral poster. You click on this button here and it's going to open up this app. My recommendation is that if you're starting out with a new Facebook account and you're building your friends list, the first thing that I would do is to click on this button here and it's going to create this post for you. This post here is perfect when you're starting out. because it's already been optimized for curiosity and high engagement. And this is the exact same thing that I do myself when I'm starting a new Facebook group from scratch. And this has translated into thousands of dollars for me. Very powerful. The next step would be just to copy this. And then the next step would be to go to your profile and just paste that. Once you post this, people are going to start commenting. And this kind of post is something that I've tested over and over again. It's something that really sparks people's interest. Once people start commenting on your posts, the next step would be to just reply with something like, I'll message you or I'll get back to you. However, even if someone finds this difficult, everything is taken care of by the actual app. So you get the actual post, you get variations of posts with the viral post generator. You can ask this GPT to give you even more posts. You just have to tell it your specific niche or audience, and it's going to craft an optimized post for you. So once you have promised to get back to someone, we go to the next step, which is step number 3, which is the high ticket AI generator. This app here has been generated with DM responses based on what I've done for a couple of years now. This is based on actual DM scripts and conversations that I've had. Let me show you an example. I could ask this app something like the following. Someone on Facebook just asked me for more information. I said I would get back to them. What should I say in the DM? As you can see here, this is the reply that you get. So you basically just take this, you copy it, then you go to your DMs within Messenger, and then you just paste this comment or reply. And once the person says yes, you just send them the link. Now, if you want to follow up on that person, but you don't know what to say, you could ask this app the following. I send the link to a person. When should I follow up and what should I say? And let us see what this app tells us to do. So here we have a couple of options. For example, 6 hours later, hey, just wanted to check in. Were you able to watch the free training yet? Would love to hear your thoughts if you had a chance. 24 hours later, and then we have 48 to 72 hours later. Then let us say the person that got the link says something like, I don't have money. What should we reply then? Then we can ask this app to help us. Like for example, the person said, he doesn't have money. What should I say? And as you can see here, you get a reply that helps you overcome that objection. But anything that the person tells you or asks you, you can put that into this app and it's going to help you. It's going to guide you. And you can just take that answer here and paste that into that conversation. Of course, you can modify it a little bit, but basically that's it. And this is exactly what I do. Then you just repeat the process over and over again. This is based on my own results, so I know it works. Now here you have a couple of bonuses, like for example the Profit Pick Pro. If you want to generate any kind of images for your Facebook post, you can just use this app here. If you want to make AI clones of yourself, I have a training here that explains exactly how to do that. I have even more traffic training here. And if you want to know how to bypass ChatGPT's limits for free, then you can watch this tutorial here. So as you can see, it's a 3-step process, very simple. You get these apps to do most of the work for you. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon.